Hello everyone, welcome back to another People Playground video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom gun in People Playground. Alright, first what you want to do is you want to right click on People Playground, you want to go to Manage, and then you want to go Browse Local Files. It should come up like this, that. Now what you want to do is you want to click on Mods, and then you want to make a new mod. So you go New, Folder, call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it banana gun. Okay, now you wanna click on the banana gun and you wanna make two files. You wanna make a text document and you wanna call it mod.json. If this comes up, just click yes, and then you want to make one called script.cs. This comes up, yep, just press yes. To see like the file extensions, you're gonna need to go to should be in view, show. Yeah, you want to go to view, this one up here, then go show, and then file name extensions. Then you want to change it to script.cs. Now click on mod.json, and I should have a link in the video to a thingy where the script.json is, this one here. Okay, now name, you're going to change this to whatever you want the mod name to be, so I'll change it to banana gun. Have the author as your username or your real name, it doesn't really matter. You can change the description to anything, but it shoots. Mod version, just keep it as zero. It doesn't really matter, but that's what version your mod's on. You change it when it updates, and now you want to find the game version. Yeah, 1.25. Yep, that's correct. Another way of finding the game thingo, the game version. You can open up People Playgrounds. Just wait for it to load, and then you can go information, and then it should say here running game version. Oh, so it's changed to 1.25.4. So we might have to change that in the mod.json. So you go here. Never mind, it's already like that. I thought it was 24. Okay, now we need to get the mod thumbnail path. So this will be the thumbnail for the mod. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna borrow this one here. But you can make your own. It has to be a square, and then just name it something like modthumb.png, and then you go back to mod.json. Then in thumbnail path, you change it to whatever you called it, and it should show when you get the mod. Entry point, keep that as mod.mod. Tags, you can change this to whatever Steam tags I think the workshop has. Yeah, like these. Script, keep that as script.cs, active, true. You can change that to your ID. I'm not going to, that's not my ID. But yeah, then you want to go save. Okay, and then you can close it. Okay, so now for the script.cs, I'm going to leave a link to this one here, this PPG snippets page on GitHub. It's really useful. If you use it, you just scroll down to adding a new gun.cs, and then and then it should say all this. You just want to copy paste all of this, but first what you want to do is you want to you want to go here, and you'll need it to say namespace mod, public class mod, and then public static void main, like this. I'll leave a link to the code that I use. It's that time of the video where I get something wrong again. I forgot to include all of the things at the top of the script, and it didn't work, and it took me like a year to find out. So the script that I used will be in either the description, the comments. Yeah, just check those. Okay, bye. In the description. Yeah. So now we want to go back to banana gun. We want to go to script.cs, and then we want to paste that there. Yeah, like that. This is the same code from the GitHub here. Okay, so find spawnable pistol. You can change this to any other gun that's in the game, and it'll have like the same like firing mode as them, like the pistol. You click once and it shoots, and like it's like the assault rifle. I think it's automatic. Yeah. Okay. So name override. You want to change this to whatever you want to call it. Banana. The description. Change this to whatever, but I'm going to call it banana. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to need to make the sprite. I have another link to the People Playground assets GitHub folder thing. So you can go here and you can go pistol. No, we don't want the icon. Yeah, we want the sprite. And when you go to download them, you just right click on it, save image as, and then you can go new volume, you go Steam library, Steam apps common, and then you want to go People Playground. Should be here somewhere. Yep. And you want to go mods, and then click on the mod that you were making. Yeah, call it sprite.png. I think that's what it's called here. Okay, that's for here. Yeah, skip this. We'll come back to this. But you want to see this. You see what this is called. You know, change this to sprite.png. Okay, now you want to right click on it, and then you want to go click on it first and then right click on it. I always get that wrong. And then open up paint.net or whatever you're using to edit the sprites, and then you want to zoom in and then just change the sprite. So I'll probably make this a time lapse, or I'll just cut it out, but let's turn this gun into a banana. Okay, now once you have your gun or banana gun or whatever you're making, you want to go file and then just go save. Okay. Alright. Okay, so this isn't actually the same time that I was actually recording this, but we had a lot of errors because I forgot to put this thingy at the top here. So when you do it, make sure you have the thing at the top. But basically what I did was I got the spawnable, which I think was already in the video, and changed the name override. So we made a thumbnail for the banana gun. It was really simple. It was just a this, when you make it, make sure it's square so it doesn't get resized wrong. We also put in the sprite as the banana gun sprite, and then I went through this one can change the damage of the actual bullet. This one changes the bullet velocity. This one, there's like the bullet spread thing. We got the recoil. I would have this at about 0.2, 0.7, because if it's too high, then it just looks dumb. And then the impact force, I put it to 10 because I wanted an insane banana. But we're just going to keep it at 1 because it was a bit too crazy. And then I went down here and I changed the shoot noise. You need a shoot noise or else it won't work. I just got mine from YouTube. It's the Gold Scar shoot noise. And yeah, so let's save this script. And now let's open up People Playground. So this should work now. Yep. So we just open up People Playground. We go firearms, and here is the banana gun. It works. And we get the character from the last episode, and he should be able to hold it. And you can shoot with it now. So that's how you make a custom gun in that's how you make a custom gun in People Playground. Thank you and goodbye.